Hello and welcome. I hope you are well. So now we're going to be looking at one of the most useful features in terms of reporting, and that's this little grid here, which is filtering, but it's also filtering to get you data exported, depending how you want to do it. So I've set one up here, and just say first of all that you want to allocate anything. So in fact, I'll just delete these for now, and I'm going to add a block, and that's my starting point. So I'm going to look for maybe a video. I'm going to start thinking about video, and I want to see who has not watched a certain video. And the video that I'm going to look for is, let's say, something on behavior management. Now, the reason that I would do this in reality is I might have set a video. So I want to see who has not watched it. And then I'm going to do this in page. So it's going to show me in the computer or on the screen, should I say. Otherwise, I can have them set out in any way that I want. And most commonly, you're going to use a spreadsheet or an XML item, depending on what you want to do with the data afterwards. So I'm going to apply that filter to see who hasn't watched 9.1, and then we see, oh, lo and behold, all those people haven't watched 9.1. If I go back to my filter and I say who has watched it, and I apply the filter, no students were found, so it doesn't have anything to do there. Now, if I come to another one and I say, right, I'm going to be looking for a unit, and I'm going to see who has started the unit, and the unit I want them to have started is safeguarding. And I'm going to apply that filter, and it's going to say, all 6 students have actually started that unit. But if I go across there and I say, who's uploaded some evidence and answered part of the safeguarding unit, for example, again, I can apply that filter. And then again, there were no students who are found that you have access to. So this, again, would be students that I'm in a situation I'm mentoring and I can't get to them. So I look at another one now, and I'm going to turn around and say, okay, I want to find that. I'm going to be looking for video. I'm going to be looking for who, actually, no, let's go for email. And with the email, I'm going to be looking for something that is equal to, and again, I could put in anything here, Amy, or let's say Mia. And then I'll apply that filter. And here again, obviously that space and place isn't something that I've used. But again, you can use this as a very, very simple way to start looking for getting the information out in the way that you want, if it's useful to you. So again, seeing who started different things is probably the one that you'll use most. Who started looking at picking any one of the courses, and obviously all they'll be there. Has anyone actually done anything in the middle leaders unit 1? And so again, I apply that filter, and yes, 1 student has actually looked at the item. So you see there's some flexibility, and just in case I didn't go into it in any detail there, remember when you're kind of looking at the criteria, what you can also do is you can export it. So then you have more power in that space and place there. I hope that's of use.